everybody.
Welcome, Groovy Cat. Welcome to our cooking review. Today we're cooking ramen. Now,
Oh man,
ramen's a household name. You eat ramen. It's 25 cents. No grocery store is gonna make it so you can't buy ramen. It's cheap. It's easy. It's good. Now, how you make the perfect ramen? Grab your sink. I guess we're not using the sink tonight.
just wait.
Fill it up.
You just wait. You'll get the Liz time and love.
And you're gonna want to use your red paprika, and you're gonna want to paprika the pizza, right?
Yeah, this gets maximum flavor.
Not much. Now this is
And now you flame the water. You flame the water too. Then you flame the water.
Flame the water.
Until you smell gasoline. That's the best part. You can smell
Then
it.
what you
can
do
smell it too.
is you have to cover the pizza so it doesn't go through photosynthesis and it goes through cellular respiration.
Now we do the mise en place. We open up all the ramen packets.
We have to wait for it to boil first. We gotta wait for it to boil.
No, we gotta get the mise en place ready though.
Now you guys drop your hands and give me your money.
First of all,
Kitchen fights.
With testosterone.
Testosterone.
get it right.
You paid for that tea. It was $15.
I created you guys.
I
You're
created
not-
the name.
You did.
Well, no, that's Cameron, but
Kitchen fighting's tearing us apart.
she's
And now we get the rolling pin and we crush up all the ramen.
no.
No.
Why are you opening all the packets?
Because that's what
Wait. First, you gotta get that good crunch sound.
we eat the scraps.
So this
No, you
is
gotta
what
give me
you
some.
look like.
Give me all the scraps.
This is what you look like.
Yep, that's what a cameraman does, is hold the camera.
That's what you look
Don't
like.
talk, cameraman.
Cameraman. This goes out to my homies, and my girl,
eat the scraps,
and
eat the
my
scraps.
mom, and my dad.
What?
I love you guys.
How many are we doing?
All of them.
All of them?
Oh shoot, for that thank you, I'd have to get a girl. Eric, you have long hair.
Yeah.
No, that's gay.
Oh, hello.
No, I said that. No.
Homie.
Home
Homie.
slice.
Kiss me goodnight, homie pie.
Oh, you want to
Homie coon.
Wait. We're not gonna Lady in the Trampet?
It was so small, Eric.
That's what your mom said.
It's like the opposite of your hair.
That's too far, man.
Oh, you're fine.
If it's not burning you, you know it's ready.
Now, okay, look over here. The
Stop
pizza's
burning.
done with photosynthesis. I mean, cellular respiration. Look at that divine crust. That red sauce. Now, we're gonna put it over here. That's not what we're making. Okay. Now, we've let the wrapper ferment. Give this a taste test.
Mmm. I like it.
You didn't eat it. You just crumpled it
Yeah,
up.
I
and
put it.
back
I
on the
took it
table.
out of my
No,
mouth.
eat it.
No,
Eat it.
I did. It's gone.
Oh, my bad.
Order in the court. First, we gotta get a Star Trek cup. Then-
Is it need to be Star Trek?
Yes, it does need to be Star Trek.
Now watch here as we drop
Especially the old
Why,
Spock
yeah,
guy.
we need to get them all.
No, you gotta make sure it boils first. You gotta wait for it to boil. That helps too. Perfect. It just filters the water. Just watch that go. Then you just kind of gotta do the.
Okay, now for the taste test to make sure this is all coming along. Okay. You want to do the honors?
Yum. Boy, can
I
I
don't
try
want
them too?
Yeah, you try it too.
Mmm.
How does it taste?
It tastes pretty watery. I
Can you
like
taste
it.
the saliva?
Need some white pepper.
Okay, now we start putting them in. Now, this is about for one per. Oh my god, that's too much. That's too much. That's too much.
This is One person.
Wait.
We needed to put them in the food processor first.
Yeah.
No!
Just call it a food processor.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna add some more water. Really
Okay,
quick.
where's the hamburger mac?
Are you seriously drinking ketchup and eating banana chips?
How long is the video?
If you like this cooking show, you'll love this cooking show live.
Okay, now let's peel a potato and eat it raw.
I mean, I am Irish. That's what we do.
Eric, can we eat a potato at your house? Caden's parents won't let us eat it at it.
Yeah.
His.
If I ask my parents, yeah.
Ask your parents, please.
You're disrespecting my culture.
I'm Irish too.
Say the G word.
Ginger.
Okay.
I'm black Irish.
I can say the N word. Because it's the same letters as the G word.
My name's Nick.
But I'm not gonna say the N word. Because that's my choice.
Wait, where is it? Okay, guys. Wait, cooking book.
I mean, technically, anyone could say the N word. It's just they choose not to.
Okay, guys, we gotta look at this cooking.
It's whether you were born the privilege of being able to say
A
it
new
or not.
book out now. It was written somewhere. Oh shoot. Where is it?
Dude, blue fire's cold. You can touch it.
Look at the blue fire.
It's cold.
That's what controller players have.
Ah, this is the ramen recipe.
No, this is no.
That's the ramen
No,
recipe.
it's not, no.
That's the ramen
It's
recipe.
written in 1981. Yes, the most recent year. 1981.
Okay, now we gotta poach an egg in wine.
Dude, we can't poach eggs. They're endangered. That's illegal.
'Cause of
The sheriff's
crime.
gonna come for us.
It's okay, it's a fine dish. It's a fine dish, and we're famous. I'm gonna do the Eden apple
Then
challenge.
you gotta get your whale gloves on. You know? And just like tasty.
I'm gonna go bathroom.
You know, and you just gotta
Eric, where's that potato coming along?
I don't know. I mean, what's your opinion on it?
I need that potato, Eric. We need a crunch on some potatoes.
He needs his
raw.
whale kissing.
Let's get a picture. Let's get a checkup on that ramen.
Yeah, let's just touch it a little bit. You gotta touch it to make sure it's okay. It's squishing down a little bit, which means it's kind of flaccid, but you know it's working pretty well.
Hold on, where's your
I guess you could call it a
where's your
limp
pasta
biscuit.
thingies?
Oh, don't mention their name ever again.
Where's your pasta thingies?
My pasta thingies.
Those. Where are those?
Where?
Where are they?
These?
Yeah, where are they at?
Right here.
No, where are they at in your house? No, I can't find them. Where are they at? Where are they at?
I'm gonna
Eric?
wash this really quick. No, you didn't see anything.
I don't know where they're
Aidan,
at.
find them.
What's going on, boys? I've left this town for a couple of minutes, and it's already
This
gone
isn't
to
dirty
anarchy. Now, we don't like our cooking show going to anarchy, do we?
No.
Give me it.
Where did I put this?
No, you're just beating it.
It needs to know its place in the world.
Is that?
You're not gonna have a good time when I'm through with
I can't see that. Is that the lemonade thing?
Yeah.
You
Who farted?
It was Eric. I heard it.
No.
Oh.
We can't use our real names. That's Eric
Okay.
Big Money Bags.
No way.
And
Okay.
I'm
no, not
Deshaun
yet, not
Dubs,
yet.
Yeah, we do that at the
Deshaun
end.
Diablo Dubs.
No. When
Yeah.
they're already in, so we gotta put them in.
Dude.
No, we do it at the end.
No, you're so.
You
This is how
do
you.
it at the end so you don't lose any of
You
the
got a
flavor
nut cage?
when you drain it.
Dude. These are like from the medieval times.
No. Ancient Roman
Does it come
times.
with nuts or do you have to buy them separately?
You can buy them separately, or you can use your own. It's just your preference, you know. Caden, you wanna show us how you use the nut cage?
Yeah.
Okay, let's season it now.
I've opened it and I can't figure out how to close it.
I'll show you after I season.
Watch
this.
closely.
No, you're doing it wrong. Oh god.
Wait.
You want to gently caress the packet as you close it. Now, notice how your fingers feel while you're closing the packet. They should... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
If we make it too chickeny, then it's good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that noodle. Look at those noodles. Do you see them boiling away? Oh, yeah.
If it's too much, there's never too much chicken in
those noodle. Oh. Oh, look at. Oh, I have to sit down.
If it turns yellow, if it's the consistency of pea, then you got it, man. We're almost done.
Now what else are we adding?
Let's add a couple ice cubes.
Raw eggs.
2 ice cubes?
Raw
Coming
eggs.
up.
No, you gotta add more than that. You gotta add like 5.
4 ice cubes coming up.
2 more
Is
ice
that
cubes
required?
coming up.
Yeah, so if you don't add the, because the ice cubes have a, I don't know if you know this, but ice cubes are made of water. Now, water is an essential part of mixing this because we need to take this off for real. We have to take it off right now.
Why?
The noodles are gonna get too soft. So hot.
No, we gotta cook the ice cubes though.
They're gone. They're like gone now.
No, don't set it on the ground. Don't set it on the table.
Why are you setting it on the table?
No!
Put it on the burner and just turn it off.
This is my kitchen.
I'll go dibs.
It is everybody but yours.
You just called dibs on the kitchen.
It's everybody but your
Okay,
kitchen.
now we get bowls.
I'll do this. This is my task.
Now, with
Ken,
a
how much
fine
ice
dish-
cube do you want in yours?
There's not enough ice cubes.
I don't want any ramen.
What's happening to the ice cubes?
I'll pass.
They're disappearing.
We need more.
You don't want ramen?
No diss to the cook, but you know.
Here.
I don't
Now,
want any ramen either. I already ate like 4 slices of pizza.
there's
What?
2 people. Okay.
No,
Now,
I serve it.
More
I
for
mixed
you
it
guys.
For literally.
he made 4. He made enough for 4.
Yeah. Oh, we thought you guys were gonna eat some.
I like how we literally said at the start how we weren't gonna
Yeah.
eat any.
What?
You're just in it for the clout.
No,
Yeah.
we're like Gordon Ramsay. We don't eat our food. We
Well,
don't
I
eat-
have the most popular
Get some
YouTube
broth
channel.
in there.
Okay,
Guys,
I have
Come
a
on.
video with 8 likes.
I have a video.
I have a video with 1,000 views, so step off.
I have 4 subscribers. Come on, and I don't even use I haven't used that YouTube account since 4th grade.
Get some broth.
That's what I'm doing now.
Dude, you gotta get some broth, brah. You female undergarment. Why is this only for 2 people?
Ramen for 2.
Ramen for 2.
Lovely.
This doesn't look good. The noodles are too soft. You guys are terrible cooks. Overall,
Oh my god, what the hell?
Colin, you helped.
That's too much.
they wouldn't let me help enough.
Colin's the master. No, stop. You're terrorizing them. You're scaring them. No. No.
All right.
This is because you chose this.
Enough
All right,
ramen rating.
time for the
now
taste
for
test.
now the taste
No,
test.
not yet. You butt.
Oh.
If you taste them.
Where's your?
Hey, there's already been enough kitchen fights today. Back off.
We've had both kitchen fights.
This is a kitchen nightmare.
the show, Kitchen Nightmares by Gordon Ramsay.
All right, taste test.
Way ahead of you, broski.
Colin's gonna deny it now just because he wasn't involved enough with the clout.
Ah.
It's not that good.
What do you think, Eric?
It's too soft.
I'm just gonna say you're the one that added all those ice cubes.
No, it spent too much time on the pan. The noodles got too soft.
Pretty good in my opinion.
Yeah, Eric's.
So can we get like an average
I'd say
Yes or no?
I'll give this a 7.
7 out of 8? 9?
7 out of 8.
Now, if I have to rate this kitchen, I'm probably not going to give it that great of a review.
No, don't wait.
Because, I mean, it's not that great. It's not that great.
Did I just make 4 ramen for nothing?
You guys need more. Try more.
No. The broth's kind of good.
Okay. Guys, I gotta do a tummy reveal. But behind the camera.
Come on, Eric.
No way. Okay, guys, there's my tummy reveal. You guys.
Okay,
Ice cube in
I think that's a good spot to end it.
Yeah,
I
it's
gotta
perfect.
thank our
Not yet.
sponsor.
Perfect.
Now we leave it.
The rated
Okay,
light
where do we
legends.
feed the rest of the cats?
Right. Okay,
Go to my house now.
a thank you to our sponsor, EasyBib.
Oh!
Thank you to our
Thank you.
$2 Shave Club. We can't afford dollars.
Or VPN.
50-cent Shade Club. All right, thanks for watching.
Please comment again and watch again. Good content.
What, Colin?
How are you already almost done?
Don't forget
To not like and not subscribe.
to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. Make it ring. Hear that. Ding! Then comment your least favorite part of the video. Make mean comments about him. He's a simp.
Thank you.